Morning. So we are now going to integrate machine learning. So by this duck egg production and feed cost crisis. So this one can predict the sales. So shall we start? So first we need to create a flutter folder. So we will name it as duck farm ml. So let's create. So it will be displayed here. So here it is. Now we're going to open the folder. Now let's try to run if this one will work. So we are created already the folder. So the next thing we'll do, we're going to create a folder. Then we will name it as backend. Then inside in the backend, we're going to create a file main.py. Main.py, this will be our fast API server. Then inside in the backend folder, we're going to create a brain for that train model. So this one main.py fast API, this will be the server. Then the brain, because machine learning needs brain. So it looks like this in the image. So create folder, name backend. Then inside the backend, we're going to create main.py. Then another one. Then we will name it like this, train model.py. Okay, so we have now two Python file. So let's paste here the code for the fast API. Don't forget to save, Control S. Then another one, the code here, trainmodel.py. Open the trainmodel.py and paste the code. Okay. Then save. So after that, we are now going to run the fast API. This code is for Mac. So for Windows without 3, we just remove this 3. So we need to go inside in the backend, cd backend. So we are now inside in the backend. Now we will now create the WinV for the fast API. So it's now creating this one. Then after that, we need to activate it. Okay, it's done. Then so here you can, once activated, you can see this one here in the left side, WinV. Then we need to install the fast API Panda here. We use Panda, that is the library for the Python for machine learning. So let's now install the Panda. Since it is downloading, we're going to wait. While waiting, we're now going to copy this one. This one is to run the fast API. You can see it looks like this in the picture once it is running well. The speed of this downloading is depend on your internet speed. So in my case, a little bit slow. So if you have fast internet, it will be very quick. Alright, it's done. So let's now run the fast API. So our fast API is now running. So we're now going to check. We'll follow this link. Okay, so fast API is now running. So very good. We're now going to proceed. Now we are now going to create a UI for our main.dart. So we're going to copy the code. So here in the main.dart, we're going to delete this all, then paste the code. Then in line 27, we're going to change the IP address. Oh, it's not line 27, so at least we can see the IP address right here. I guess that's my IP address. Let's check. So in your case, if you are using Windows, so you can use your CMD. Then yes, this is my correct IP address, 8.156. Yes. Then in your CMD, then type ipconfig so you can see your IP address. Then put it here. Okay, so that's our IP address. Then we're going to proceed. Don't forget to save, Control S. So in the pubget here, pub speak YAML. So in the dependencies, somewhere in line 30. So we are going to add this code. So pub speak YAML, this one. Somewhere line 30, dependencies. All right, this one. Then paste it here. Okay, make it align properly. Else it will be error. So like that. Then Control S. Then done. So now we're going to um, try to run. So Flutter pubget first to run this to run the changes of this pubspeak YAML. Okay, it's done. So we're now going to Flutter run. Make sure your Fast API is running. Don't close the Fast API. Then run the Flutter in the other terminal. Then we will just going to wait. All right, so there it is. So when you're going to run this in the first attempt, so it will be error because it has no brain yet, it has no data. So we are going to feed the data because this is a machine learning. So in the data, so we have here the data samples from the farm there. So we're going now to train this. Supposed to be the system will said that no data uploaded yet, something like that. It's not just going like this. There's an error. So a little bit bad thing about it. So we are now going to upload. Okay. So downloads this one. So this is it. This is the data. So we are now going to upload. So here data sync successful. So now we're now going to run. All right. So so here you can now predict in the DAX how many feed consumption, then how many kilos of feeds and waste foods to take, eggs, and price. So here in the bottom, total income, then expenses, then the net income. So we have here net income. So since this one will going to predict, so we need to adjust it. This is the purpose of, let's say you're going to upgrade to, yes, to expand your duck farm. So let's say 500 ducks, run prediction. So here you can see here feed consumption 35, waste feeds, so 35 kg, then you need 11 restaurants of that. So eggs 39, so your net income per day, so 1.5. So 1.5 income per day, it's not bad, it's so good. So that's it. I hope you like it. Cheers.